All right, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are doing the put game. We got a signal at 226 for Euro USD. It went as high as 238 and all 240s. I got in at 235 and also 227, and just riding it back on down to potentially where it had a last resistance, which is around the 200s. And so we're going to see. We have about it's starting out right now with a new candle, and now starting a base around the 220s, and it should base up and just shoot right back up. So let's see. There it is. So I may lose this, but it is totally okay. I rolled over the bottom one just in case the top one wouldn't make it, and that should make up for it again. What this one may need is just some more time. It's going to go all the way up back to the 240s. We'll refresh this and should give off another put. And what I'll do is just let it do its thing and rock its way back on down. We got another put at 230, so we know it's going to happen again. So we might as well get in right here. It's 233. I did a 3-minute for $7. If we look at this, it's going to work its way. It's going to drive up a little bit. So if it goes back up to this 245 and above, I'm going to get in for another 3-minute and work its way down. Yep, we have a put score of 5. It's going to rise up a little bit more. So the bottom one over here, the $7, I'm just going to roll over just a little bit. You can give it more time. And I'm going to roll over the bottom one as well just to give it just a bit more time. And as it's now at the 245, this is a good spot to get in as well for a 3-minute. And I'm going to do my best not to over leverage. So I'm going to go down to a 5, do a 6-minute put, as I know it's going to be a lot further down in the next 6 minutes just because these things are going to need some time to fluctuate out. We are on a little bit of an uptrend. But the higher it is, the more we should roll over. So I should roll over by 39, $5 one. Boom. Nope, not that one. Now it's starting to crash and work its way down. We're going to see how far it's going to take. In 3 minutes, it's still going to be working its way down. 240. 5 minutes, it's still going to be doing its thing. So we're just going to let this one play out. It's starting to drop. It's starting to drop. It's now crossed. It's starting to fight and find a base right now. Working down to 237, and we're just going to let it ride its wave down to the 220s. down to our last entry. And these are some of my entries, guys. I wish it could drop at the last second to that one, and we would, be somewhat. Oh, it did last minute. Oh, that's a blessing. And that's the market. All my entries went in my favor with the rollover game. I still have one that's obviously still alive, and that one should be closing soon. I did a little bit too many rollovers. That one will be closing at 36, which is around 6 more or minutes. Started this at 199, and after a bunch of injuries, we're in profit, and we don't really have a trade anymore for the day. So we lost two, and then ended up winning the remaining six. So we're 6 for 2 for the day, and then we have one more, and that would hopefully potentially be 7 and 2. And that's really it, guys. That's day trading. We looked at the hourglass. We got the signals. If we were to look at this again, we're going to get some more signals again, most likely for Euro USD JPY. So if I were to go to USD JPY, and I'm not really going to most likely take this trade because I'm not really looking at the charts, and but I can obviously see here it's overbought. And if I were to do a 4-minute of looking where this is going to go, it looks like it's going to ultimately just continue to skyrocket. But I will wait for that signal really for for USD JPY. But from what it looks like here, it's overbought and it's ultimately going to crash. So by be patient, it should be able to give us off something, but it's giving off as a sell signal. So I'm going to do a light risk, 5 minutes, just $3 or $5, and we'll just do a put. See where the market goes, you know. And this is somewhat risky since we don't have a signal, but as I can see, it has been overbought, and it's just fluctuating. It's going to rise above my entry, and that's what it did. And that's what happens when, again, we're looking at this the wrong way. But I have this one that's still alive that can make that one up, and that'll be it for the day, guys. So, and for this, I can get my money back. I can see where this is going. See where it's still going to be rising, still going to be rising, and it looks like it can go all the way up to 666, which is where it's at right now. And if I felt this is going to drop, I can do a 4-minute put for here and see where it goes, and go from there. The top entry is in profit. This one's in profit. This is going to close pretty soon. And those are two would equal out and still put me in profit for the day. We finally got the put for USD JPY, 5 put in 1 minute. So it's going to drop. So I can also get another entry here. And what I would do is a 4-minute just to give myself more time. And yeah, 4 minutes, give it more time. But we got a put score at 660. I believe it's going to go all the way up to the 80s and so and so. So for this 666 one, I'll roll this one over just a bit. Just a bit so you can give it more time. I'll roll this $5 one over as well. Double it up, and then let it ride its way back down. We got a put score of 5. It's at 6.6. We got a signal at 6.60. Its market was up at 6.67, and right now we're just riding the wave down. And all our entries are in profit outside of one. And we have this one as well. What's up, Eddie? What's up, Eddie? Can you hear me? Oh, yeah, you can hear me. You're just muted. What's up, Eddie?
How's it going?
Not much, man. Just kicking it, trading. Like this out.
Finally got everything straightened out here on my end and just funded the account, so I hopped in.
Dope. Yeah. Yeah, so the guy, I don't know if I got you a part of the Telegram group, correct?
I don't think so. I'm in the Facebook group.
Okay, I'm gonna give you so the Telegram group, it's the Hourglass group, and the money marks, he won't be trading today, but every day at like noon, they have an Hourglass training by 2 doctors who have made this a full-time job for themselves. So what I'm gonna do is give you this information. And so you'll be able to be a part of this Telegram group. And it shows you this so he wasn't trading. So that's the reason why I was like, oh, guys, whoever's a part of the schedule, I'll be doing my own thing and still wanting to trade today and then going from there. But yeah, this is you can see my screen, right?
What was that?
You can see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see your screen.
So this